The Omron Total Power Plus Heat combines soothing heat with TENS technology to help relieve chronic, acute, and arthritic muscle and joint pain. The Total Power Plus Heat lets you customize your treatment with 9 preset modes and 20 intensity levels. You can also choose from 2 therapy choices: a combination therapy with alternating periods of TENS and heat, or TENS only. Before the first use, make sure your unit's rechargeable battery is charged. Next, prepare the pads. Put the jack into the bottom left side of the unit. Then place the pads dark side up onto a flat surface. Each gel has 2 plastic films, one on the top and one on the bottom. Remove the blank plastic film from the gels and place them squarely on the dark side of the pads. The gel should read "Skin" on top. Remove the remaining film and put the pads onto your skin. For best results, make sure your skin is clean, dry, and healthy. Then place the pads near or surrounding the area of the pain, at least 1 inch apart. Here are some example positions. Once the pads are applied, turn on the device. Use the arrow keys to navigate the modes and press the Set Start button for the mode you want. To select Combo Therapy, press Set Start when the word Heat appears on the display. Alternatively, you can select TENS only by pressing any of the arrow keys. You'll see the heat symbol disappear from the display. During the session, you can adjust the intensity using the up and down arrows. You can treat the same area for up to 30 minutes at a time, up to 3 times a day. Once your session is complete, remove the pads, unplug the cord from the unit, and store it using the pad holder. You should replace the gels after 30 uses. Children, pregnant women, or anyone who has an implanted metallic or electronic device should not use this device. If you have additional questions about your health, ask your physician before using. To learn more or to order gel refills, visit omronhealthcare.com.